All right, we're going to continue on with round 2. Round 2 starts the same as round 1 did. We're going to chain 3, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through, wrap around and pull through. We have chain 3. Now round 2, we're going to do 2 double crochets in each stitch. So that is also called an increase. So where we ended with 12 stitches on our first row, we're going to end with 24 this time. So we have our chain 3. We're going to wrap around to do our double crochet. We're going to go right in the same stitch area that this chain 3's in. So we have 3 loops on there. Wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through. So we have 2 in there, and we'll continue going forward. 2 in each stitch. So continue moving forward with 2 in each stitch. A stitch, in this case, is, you see your V here, these 2, and then there's a little loop under there. So you have these 2 V's at the top, you have a loop here, and then you have another opening. The stitch placement for these pairs of double crochets moving forward is going to be under the 2 V's but above that loop right there. Okay, so let's do 2 double crochets in this stitch. So going under there, wrap around, pull through. We're still doing just regular double crochets, okay? So you have 3 on the hook, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through. So there's the 1. You can see that 1 loop down there still. So we're wrapped around those top 2 V's. Wrap around, we're gonna go through that same stitch right in there. Wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, and pull through. Now you have 2 double crochets in a single stitch. Let's do it again. So this is the space for our next stitch. Wrap around, we're going to go through the stitch, wrap around and pull through, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through. There's 1. Let's do another. Wrap around, go through the stitch. You can see that little loop down there still. We're going through there, not through there, okay? We're going through here, right below the V. Wrap around, pull through. There's our 3 loops. Wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through. So now we have, again, this chain 3 is a double crochet in this case. So we have 1 pair here, 1 pair here, 1 pair here. So we have 2, 4, 6 double crochets, and we need 24. So let's finish this off here. You're gonna do the same thing all the way around. Wrap around, going through the stitch. There, keep going, another 1. There's another pair. Wrap around, go through our next stitch. Wrap around, and we have another pair. Okay. Pair. Keep going. And that tail, still gotta watch that tail. Every once in a while, if you go through here, you can end up grabbing that tail too. Just make sure that's still down there. Make sure you're not grabbing it. Keep going. Double crochets all the way around and in an increase. So 2 double crochets in each stitch. Make sure you're getting 2 in each stitch. Okay, we're almost there. There's 1, there's 2. Okay, now we should need one more pair and we can count them here. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Remember to be counting your stitches. We'll wrap around and we're going to go through this one right here, right next to our chain 3. We're going to do a pair. There's 1. Wrap around. And there we are, 24 around here. So again, make sure you count, make sure you have 2 in each stitch there. And we're going to finish with a chain 3 like we did on the first row. So here's 1, 2, 3. Zoom in a little. So that's a V. We don't count that one. This is our chain right here. All right. 1, 2, 3, go through here. We're going to pull that yarn through and pull it through without a wraparound. That is your slip stitch. There you are. Row 2 is complete.